Signing up for eTutoring and online tutoring. The Tacoma Park Silver Spring Learning Centers are pleased to offer you eTutoring and online tutoring. Please note, eTutoring is asynchronous. You do not speak directly to the tutor. For eTutoring, students upload their paper to their appointment before the appointment starts. Once the appointment starts, the tutor will review the paper and provide written feedback. At the end of the appointment, the tutor will upload the paper with the feedback to the appointment report, which will automatically be sent to the student. Only the Reading, Writing, and Language Center will offer asynchronous tutoring. Online tutoring is synchronous. This is when you speak directly to the tutor. Students will join the online tutoring session by clicking on the Zoom session link that will be sent to the students once the appointment has been made. Students will still need to upload their assignment sheet and paper to the appointment. All 4 Tacoma Park Silver Spring Learning Centers will offer synchronous tutoring. To sign up, follow these steps. Step 1. Log into WC Online. Use the website https://montgomerycollege.mywconline.net. Note, this is WC Online, not MyMC. Step 2. If you already registered, log in with your Montgomery College email and use the password you have chosen. You must choose the schedule you want to access before you push login. If you've not registered before, click on the link that says Register for Account. Follow the prompt to register. See Registering for WC Online Account handout. Step 5. Click on the white square to make an appointment for that hour. Follow the prompts. Step 6. Once you click on the white open square, you will need to complete the form. Include your Montgomery College email in the client box. For the Academic Success Center, Math Learning Center, and Science Learning Center, the default is online tutoring. For the Writing, Reading, and Language Center, you must choose if you would like to schedule an e-tutoring or online appointment. Please read the definitions before making your selection. 7. Finish completing the form. Check Blackboard, MyMC, or Syllabus to locate your course name and number, CRN, and professor's name. You must fill in all fields marked with an asterisk. Step 8. Upload the assignment instructions, the paper, if necessary, and rubric, if accessible. Then click Create Appointment. Step 9. If you choose an online synchronous tutoring, when you hit Create Appointment, you will receive an automatic confirmation email with the link for the appointment. You will need to copy and paste the URL to your browser at the time of the meeting. Step 10. Do not click Start or Join Online Consultation. Instead, copy and paste the URL in the location field to your browser at the time of your appointment. A few important notes. You may make appointment up to 7 days in advance, and you may sign up as late as 1 hour before any session. Remember, eTutoring, with the WRLC only, you must upload the instructions, paper, draft, or any other useful material no later than 1 hour before the session is scheduled to begin. The tutor will provide feedback by the end of your appointment by uploading a copy of your work with their comments included to WC Online. Once the tutor uploads the comments, you will receive an email message stating that your feedback is ready. You will then log on to WC Online, open your eTutoring appointment, and download the tutor's documents. For online tutoring, which is with all learning centers, the tutor will provide the feedback during the session. There will be no follow-up email provided by the tutor. It is not permitted to contact the tutor after the session has been completed. You may want to record the tutoring session for further review later.